Hey there, sci-fi lovers! Ever wondered what it's like to get abducted by aliens? Well, buckle up, because I'm going to tell you the wild story of Dirk and Sally's unforgettable night. It all started on a clear, starry night in Arizona. Dirk and his girlfriend Sally were out in the desert, enjoying a cozy campfire and making s'mores. The only thing sweeter than those s'mores was their budding romance. But little did they know, their night was about to take a turn for the extraterrestrial. Just as Dirk was about to toast the perfect marshmallow, a strange humming noise filled the air. The ground started to vibrate, and the sky lit up with an eerie green glow. Dirk and Sally exchanged worried glances, unsure of what was happening. Suddenly, a massive UFO descended from the sky, hovering just above their campfire. A beam of light shot down, enveloping them in its mysterious glow. Dirk tried to move, but it was like his feet were glued to the ground. Sally clung to him, her eyes wide with fear. Before they could scream, they were lifted off the ground and pulled into the UFO. Inside, they found themselves in a futuristic metallic room filled with blinking lights and strange alien technology. They were greeted by a group of aliens who looked like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Tall, thin, with large eyes and glowing skin. One of the aliens stepped forward and spoke in a language they couldn't understand. But then, miraculously, they started to understand the aliens' words in their heads. The alien introduced itself as Zog, the leader of the expedition. Zog explained that they were from a distant planet and had come to Earth to learn about human life. Dirk, ever the adventurer, asked Zog what they wanted with them. Zog smiled, or at least they thought it was a smile, and said they simply wanted to observe their relationship and understand human emotions. Dirk and Sally looked at each other, both curious and terrified. For the next few hours, Dirk and Sally were treated like guests on the UFO. They were shown incredible alien technology, given strange but delicious alien food, and even got to try on some futuristic spacesuits. All the while, the aliens watched and took notes, fascinated by the couple's interactions. As the night went on, Dirk and Sally grew more comfortable with their hosts. They even started to enjoy the experience, laughing and sharing stories about their lives on Earth. The aliens, in turn, shared stories about their own planet, painting a picture of a world beyond their wildest dreams. Eventually, it was time for Dirk and Sally to return to Earth. Zog thanked them for their cooperation and promised that their planet would always be welcome to visit. With that, they were gently lowered back to their campfire, the UFO disappearing into the night sky. Dirk and Sally sat in stunned silence for a moment, trying to process everything that had just happened. Then, they burst into laughter, realizing they had just lived through the ultimate sci-fi adventure. As they finished their s'mores, they couldn't help but wonder if they would ever see their alien friends again. So the next time you're out under the stars, keep an eye on the sky. You never know when you might get abducted by aliens and have a wild night like Dirk and Sally. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep dreaming of the stars. Catch you in the next adventure.